Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at the TONOR TW820 wireless microphone system. It comes with two microphones, a 2-year warranty, the wireless receiver slash transmitter, and it has XLR ports and also an amplifier port. And the microphones are heavy duty. You can twist off the side. This is how you put the batteries in. For me it was confusing at first, but they're labeled B and A, and you can also probably put other labels. It's got a high-low filter, and it takes 2 AA batteries. They just screw right on like that. Power button, you hold it for a few seconds and it turns on, and it's already automatically synced to the receiver transmitter. You don't have to adjust anything at all. The metal is pretty cold, but on warm days it's really hot. It even has an anti-slip roll and a wind muff. Here's the cable. I use this to plug it into my Zoom H5. You can plug it into an amplifier or any kind of recording device that has that type of unit. Here's the power cable. It's your typical power cable unit. And here is the transmitter slash receiver. The antennas move. And here's the front of the device. You got the knobs that actually do adjust the gain, and you got the power button.
The thing is that when you have it plugged into a Zoom, it's hard to tell exactly how loud it's going to be, even with headphones on, because I plugged in headphones just right before doing this. Hello YouTube, I am doing the test of the TONOR microphone. Now see, the thing is that when you have it plugged into a Zoom, it's hard to tell exactly how loud it's going to be, even with headphones on, because I plugged in headphones just right before doing this. And the Zoom levels were at about -18, which is about where you want it, -18, -24, -10, somewhere around there. It's going to get louder and louder. The less, if you go like -5, it's going to be louder than -18. So I'm testing it out. I'm recording from my iPhone, just so you know. It is plugged into the Zoom, not plugged into the iPhone. So if you plug it into your cell phone, you're going to have an external cord to attach from the Zoom to your cell phone, and it's going to have a little bit of hiss. And it's called a TRRS to a TRS cable, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter which. They label it differently everywhere. And this is testing out the range. I'm really far away. I'm about 9 rulers away from the receiver, transmitter, whatever you want to call it. I believe it's a receiver. And I hope it's not cutting in and out. I don't know how loud this is going to be. I hope it's not blowing out your eardrums. Otherwise, I'm going to be pretty upset, because, you know, people that actually do YouTube videos can tell how hard it is with technology to actually to keep technology all in order. If you have multiple pieces, you got a camera, you've got an external microphone, you've got a wireless microphone like this, and the receiver, and then you've got a tripod, then you've got your SD card. There's something that can screw up. A light, maybe 2 lights. One of your lights goes out, ruins everything, ruins your mood, ruins your attitude. You don't do a video for a long time. I've had that happen quite a few times. And, you know, there's always something that can go wrong. And if this is actually like blown out audio when the Zoom shows -18, which shouldn't be blown out at all, of course I'm going to be upset quite a bit. But yeah, I'm just happy that they're sending us wireless microphones. This is the second set. We got one from Comica, and then this is TONOR. And TONOR so far is a lot better than the Comica. Just by hearing the 10-second test I did before recording this, I can tell you that Comica is nowhere near this kind of quality. It sounds phenomenal, and I'm just telling you, I love stuff like this. I absolutely love free stuff, and it makes it a lot more possible, a lot more accessible to actually do the type of videos that I want to do, that we want to do, that other people want to do. Is when we get free microphones and free cameras, free lights, free products, free props, basically. And if we don't want it, you know what you can do? You can resell it. But I'm going to definitely keep this, because it's amazing, it's incredible, it's divine. Now I'm going to do a run test, because with these types of microphones, even running briskly like this tends to make them cut out. And we don't really want that to happen. We want to make sure that we thoroughly review these microphones as much as we can.